Click on the link below to get price. The Nikon D3200 24.2MP DSLR Camera Kit is an excellent choice for both budding photographers and seasoned enthusiasts looking to enhance their craft without breaking the bank. This camera strikes a perfect balance between performance and ease of use, making it accessible for all skill levels. One of the standout features of the D3200 is its impressive 24.2-megapixel sensor, which captures stunningly sharp images with vibrant colors and excellent detail. Whether shooting landscapes, portraits, or fast-moving subjects, the D3200 delivers high-quality results. The ISO range of 100-6400 allows for flexibility in various lighting conditions, making it suitable for both bright daylight and low-light environments. The camera's noise reduction capabilities ensure that images remain clean, even at higher ISO settings. The included 18 to 55mm VR zoom lens is versatile and ideal for many shooting scenarios. The vibration reduction (VR) technology minimizes camera shake, which is particularly beneficial for handheld shooting. Autofocus is quick and accurate, allowing for fast adjustments while capturing fleeting moments. The ergonomic design of the D3200 makes it comfortable to hold, and the controls are intuitive and easy to navigate. The 3-inch LCD screen is clear and bright, offering a live view mode that is helpful for composing shots. The camera also comes with built-in guide modes, which provide helpful tips and suggestions, making it perfect for beginners who need a little guidance. For those who enjoy sharing their work, the D3200 features a basic level of connectivity, allowing users to transfer images to a computer easily. However, it lacks built-in Wi-Fi or connectivity features found in more modern cameras, which might be a drawback for some. Overall, the Nikon D3200 is a reliable and capable DSLR that delivers impressive performance and image quality. Its user-friendly features make it an excellent entry point for photography enthusiasts, while its solid build and performance cater to those looking to explore their creative potential.